In this video, we will show you the price and specifications of the Honor Magic 4 Pro phone in detail. The phone was announced on February 28 and released to market on April 9. The length of the phone is 163.6 mm, and the width is 74.7 mm. It is 9.1 or 9.2 mm thick and weighs 2.9 or 215 grams. The phone has a 6.81-inch LTPO OLED screen with a resolution of Quad HD and a pixel density of approximately 460 ppi, supports 120 Hz and HDR10+ technology, and the screen supports 1 billion colors. Phone memory. It comes with 3 options of memory. The storage memory starts from 256 GB or 512 GB, while the RAM starts from 8 GB up to 12 GB and does not support the installation of an external memory card. Magic 4 Pro comes with a top-tier processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, powered by 4 nanometers technology. Graphics processor, Adreno 730. The rear camera comes with 4 lenses. The first is a 50-megapixel wide lens with an f1.8 aperture, equipped with a laser that helps focus. The second is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with an f2.2 lens slot, and the third is a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with an f3.4 lens slot, which comes with OIS optical stabilization and supports 3.5x optical zoom without decreasing quality. Fourth, TOF 3D lens for depth sensing. The camera supports LED flash and HDR technology. Capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second frame rate. It also supports EIS digital video stabilization technology, in addition to the ability to record video in HDR10 and 10-bit. Dual selfie camera. The first is a 12-megapixel wide lens, and the second is a TOF 3D lens for depth sensing. With support for HDR technology, it is capable of shooting 4K video at a frame rate of 30 frames per second. The 4600 mAh battery with 100W fast charging support is able to fully charge the battery in just 30 minutes. The phone also supports 100W wireless charging, capable of charging the battery to 50% in just 15 minutes. It also features reverse charging support. Android 12 system with Magic UI 6 interface with Google Services support. The place of the fingerprint is under the screen, with the feature of unlocking the phone by face. IP68 water and dust resistant, water resistant to a depth of 1.5 meters, and for 30 minutes. The phone supports stereo speakers and does not support the 3.5mm headphone port. Supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, aptX HD technology. Honor Magic 4 Pro is priced at $899.